Peacock is the most beautiful bird in the world. It is a tall but slender bird with long feathered tail. Bird is different. Shades of the blue and green and feathers. Peacock can spread out their long feathers for like a revealing umbrella revealing under an eye for the pattern. The male peacock has beautiful feathers used for the attract to the penguins. Is a female peacock is the most famous for courtship dance with a female. Such unique are the characteristics. Uh, uh, Peacock is the protected bird, cannot be kept pets at home. Enjoy for watching peacock, distant for natural environment.